What's going on, everyone? I've got quite an interesting video for you guys today. I'm taking my car this morning at 10 o'clock to Dwayne at MACE. He's going to tune it and put a base map on it that's not going to do any harm to the engine in order for me to run the new bearings and rings in. So once I put the kilometers on that, I'll be able to take it back and go for a party tune. I have to get out of here very quickly this morning. I've got like 10 minutes to load up and get out, otherwise I'm going to be late. So I'm going to sit you guys down and let's get to it. Alright guys, so I got the car on the piggyback trailer. I don't have much time left before I have to leave, so I'm just going to hop straight on the road and get to MACE. Should be there within like 45 minutes, so once I'm there, I'll pick back up with you guys. touch a bit of boost, but don't just flat. Oh, come on, Dyno, run. Alright guys, so as you can see, today was a fantastic day and it was definitely a win. I came home with my car still running. Everything is now good to go to run in the motor for 1,000 kilometers. Once that's done, I also need to change a few things, get a better fuel pressure regulator, as well as check my wastegate because I don't think it's opening for some reason. Maybe the spring is too hard. Busy running at a bar boost on spring pressure, so something is definitely not lacquer there. I'm going to inspect my old wastegate and see what springs in that one and possibly transfer that one over to the new wastegate, and then we'll be able to run like about a 0.4 to 0.5 bar boost at the spring pressure. I can't say thank you enough to Dwayne at MACE. He did an outstanding job and I'm putting my full trust into him, into tuning my car. I believe if there's anyone out there, he's definitely the man. I'll link all of his details below. I'm pretty sure he can help you with whatever build you're busy with. Unfortunately, I have to now run off to go take the trailer back to the rental place. I'm not going to do any more work on the car today. Today was a big enough success and I'll definitely be celebrating with some brandy tonight. Thanks for sticking around, guys. I hope you guys love those dyno videos. There's definitely some lacquer snap, crackle and pops in there. Now all the fun starts. I get to do all the fine tuning and fine fitments of everything on this build. I've got a new bonnet for it. I need to check my boost gauge as well. That's not reading at the moment. But yeah, I definitely think now is where the fun begins. During this whole run-in process, I can perfect everything that I need to and upgrade whatever else needs to be upgraded. And by the time I've run the motor in and it's time to party, everything will be sorted on the car. Thank you for sticking around, guys. Shout EJ for pushing me for more content each week. It really helps a lot. Love that kind of support. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe and hit that bell icon if you want to follow me and get notified every time I upload a new video. I try to upload at least one video a week. I really appreciate all the support from everybody. It's been awesome so far. I can't wait to make some more lekker videos of this car once it's fully tuned. Have an awesome one, guys. I'll check you in the next one. Peace.